Today we discuss about power system operation and control. In that chapter we discuss about one example, fuel cost function. I need to find out incremental fuel cost and also total generation cost for a power plant, and also I need to find out the optimal generation. Each generating unit, how much of optimal generation we need. Okay, so all these things will be find out by a MATLAB program. I will done in this solution part. Okay, so look at the problem. Here is the problem. We having three thermal plants. Okay, we having three thermal plants. For each thermal plants we having individual fuel cost functions. In this we neglecting line losses and generator limits. Okay, so finally what we do in this design means, what we do in this program means, I need to find out the optimal scheduling of each and every load generating. Okay, that means at the end of the program we need to find out the generating unit, optimal generation, incremental fuel cost and total generation cost. Okay, these are the things we need to find out. So this is the program for the economic load dispatch. Okay, in the description link we need we given this code. Okay, in MATLAB we need to create a M file. Okay, that means in this way we need to write a program in M file, and you need to save it in some variable name, whatever the variable name it may be. I am placing dispatch 1. Okay, this is the economic load dispatch program. So program I already give in the description link. Okay, no need to worry about that. For initially what we need to find out means, at the PD 550 megawatts. Okay, at the PD initially PD we have 550, so we just need to change the PD value. Okay, here we need to change PD value in as they given 550. Okay, run the model. Okay, after simulation run we have result in this box. Okay, this is the result. This is the result for the at 550 megawatts, the optimal scheduling of each generating unit. Okay, this is the result for the at the PD is equals to 550 megawatts. When we change PD is equals to 820. Okay, if you change PD is equals to 820, now run this model. So check in the editor box, the generating units, all these things will be vary. That means the total generation cost for this will be 9064 rupees. Okay, total generation cost will be 9064 and incremental fuel cost will be 10.47. Okay, suppose if you change PD to 1500. Okay, why we are changing PD means, here they giving PD 550, 820 and 1500 na, so that's why I am changing this PD value. Okay, now we change PD into 1500, run the model. Now you figure it out the changes that will be appeared at the output command window. Okay, so for this we have incremental fuel cost 12.55 and total generation cost will be 16,897. You already know the E means 10 to the power of 4. Okay, when you multiply this, the value of the total generation cost will be 16,897 rupees. Okay, so this is the way to find out the economical load dispatch. In this we need to find out the generating unit for the individual units 1, 2, 3, and also incremental fuel cost, total generation cost. These are we need to find out in this program. Okay, thank you for watching.